What's going on, everybody? We're going to be using Talstar P today to kill some bugs. Okay guys, so this is professional grade Talstar P. I personally use 3 ounces. In the book it says almost everything in here, whether it's flies, ants, termites. It's going to tell you basically exterior, they're going to want you to use 1 ounce per gallon of water. And then for interior, 1/2 ounce of this per gallon of water. So you can go off that. You can also look in the book if you want to make sure, but almost everything in there was, if it's outside your house, 1 ounce per gallon of water, and then inside it's 1/2 ounce per gallon of water. So I'm gonna, pour it over until I get to my 3 ounce, and then on this side I'll cap this. On this side I'll pour it into my Roundup, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, you're supposed to wear pants, you're supposed to wear some type of mask, gloves, and all that. You can do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do this real quick, but read the manual, it'll tell you what to wear. So I'm going to go around all the edges of my house. I'm going to spray around here 5 feet out. I'm going to spray 5 feet out from my house. Spray around the doors, spray around everything. Here we go. All around your windows. Try not to do that with the wind blowing. All in your face. It doesn't look like he's taking that very well. He's just chilling. Well, there you have it, guys. This pretty much cuts down on the flies around our house. I use it every couple of months. You can do it every month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever, however you like it. It works for us. Saves us a bunch of money. So I used to spend about $60 every 3 months or every 4 months for someone to come out and do this. I spent $50 for that container. It's got 96 ounces, so it's lasted about 2 years already. So it saved a lot of money, and it has pretty much did the same job as the people that would come out. So if you want to save some money, think about the Talstar P, try it out. So if you like this, consider subscribing to our channel. We appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.